Hi guys, and today I'm taking you to a car adventure. Let's go! Actually helping us just look. And that's really cool, so like, we almost got stuck, but we actually have 2 helpers. And that's really good, but I don't know what's gonna happen. We have all these snacks. Snacks for the pebbles, So, I'll see you later. So this is really cool. So see you later, baby alligator. Things ever happen. The most great thing of how it is. Look at this. So we're gonna come back tomorrow and see how it is when we go back to Alto Park. Here we in the snowstorm. I'm so scared. I don't know what's gonna happen because the snow is going so fast. The cars are so scary. The snows are going so fast. I'm so scared. What's gonna happen? So we finally made to our destination. Right now, I'm playing with snow. I see you next video. Like, subscribe.